Hello everyone. So today we are writing a program to find most repeated character and its count in a string. In a string or word. So I will tell you three ways to do this. The from most simple one is we use inbuilt libraries from collection, import. We have collect counter class, and what we do, we have str a word, let's say hello, hello world. Hello world is our word that we are going to find. As you can see here, we have like three L's, one, two, and three. So it should be our result. So we use the class and we pass the string in this one, and I can also show you what it like return. It's so result is our class object, and here you can see it has already counted L3, so we just need to print the L. For that we use most common. It's a method in this class. If I do this, you will now see that it will return the list of tuples, and from there we just need to do first one because L is our most occurring characters. Here you can see in the output L is 3. So this one was the first way to do this, and now I will tell you the second way to do this. I'll just copy the string. We'll see. What is going on? This one was the first way. Second way, we create a function def most repeated character, and we take a string as input. For now, I just do pass. It's a placeholder, and here I will pass my string. I have passed my string. Now I will create a dictionary which will like have the each letter of the word and how many times it's like repeated. So I will do char dict will be my dictionary, and I will for I in, let's say, chr in our string, and I will store that character in my chr, and I will like currently the dictionary is empty, so as finding that character is not possible. So what we do is we use get method. If the character is there, then it will return the value of that character. Otherwise, we assign the value 0. If let's say h is not there, it starts from h, so h will be assigned value 0 and we will plus 1. Like second time h comes or l comes, then 1 will be assigned. I can show you the output here. It will count all the values of L, H, and it will return a dictionary. Here we can see L is the most occurring character. So what we do, mm, we can just do max, or I can say repeat character. I will use max function, max. So if I do char dict, so you must be thinking, "Oh, we got the output, but there is a catch here. If I put in this, you will see it will return W because it's just like taking the keys H, E, L and finding the maximum, which is W, but we don't want it to find key. We want it to find from values. For that, what we will do, we have this and we'll do char dict dot get. So what this will do, it will like take the keys of these all the dictionaries and then pass those keys to this get function, char dot get function, and it will return the values like 1 1 3 2 1 1 1, and from these values we find the max, which is 3, and we are using char directory, so it will return our most repeated character, which is L. And here is the most repeated character, and for finding its count we just do char dict that get, we can do, and we can repeat it character. So here you will see L3, or I can just simply do this as well, just put square colon, and this is another way. Will work both will work fine. So this is the second way of doing this. Now let's go to the third way. How do we do it in third time? Let me comment it out. So these are the second way. And now for the third way. str redo hello world. And again, we create a function def. Like most of the code is similar, so I'll just copy. I will copy paste them from here. It is similar, which I explained earlier. We created a function. Okay, so we created a function. We are passing our string value, and we created a dictionary. And here what we are doing, we also create uh, repeated repeated the character that is repeated most. We assign it this, and for characters the count we assign it 0. Let's say our character is started, so from dictionary it first will not be included in dictionary. So if it's not included in dictionary, we just simply do this. If it's not, it will be added to our dictionary. If it's there, the value will be incremented by 1. And then we will check if our char dictionary, the current character in our dictionary is greater than the char count. If the count is greater, then we will reassign the count to as this value char dictionary. We will modify the value of our character count, and also we will assign our repeated character as CHR, the current char value, current iteration value char. From this we will find, it will run to this. Let's say H is not there, H will be added, and assign value 0 and 1 will be incremented. For E, for L, for a second L, this second L, for second L value it will be 2, and 2 will be greater than, let's say, 0 1. So L will be stored as repeated character, and value is incremented. Count value will be incremented, and at the end we just do print. We do repeated character, and char count, and it will return the solution healthy. So this is the solution, and now I just showed you the three ways to do this. I will just commit this code to my GitHub. This is how you push the code, commit and push the code to GitHub. And I will say it in my GitHub underscore 4.py with a file name, and the complexity of the code is order of n, because we are order of like length of the string, because we are looping over the string. So the time complexity will be order of n. And here you can see, and the space complexity depend on this chart, how many unique elements are there. So space complexity depend on this factor. I can write here, where I can write time complexity, time complexity is order of length of string, and for space complexity is like order of unique unique character in the string. So I made comment changes, that's all. You can see it also. You can also push these again and the comment. That's all for today. Thank you very much.